drink 16 to 20 ounces of water first thing in the morning when you wake up. Try not to drink it cold, but drink it more at room temperature. And try drinking that before having your caffeine drinks or food or anything else to get the body going. You can also try adding a few drops of chlorophyll to your water for hydration. I have some chlorophyll drops here myself I like to use off and on. I don't use it every day. I don't think it's necessary, but it is great to help add to the hydration. Or you can simply add some lemon juice to some water, and that's a great way to help your body to detox and to help to get your energy going. And what this does, this helps set your body up for energy, better digestion throughout the day, help you with mental clarity and focus, all before getting your day started. The next tip is to space out drinking your water. Don't chug it. It's best to drink water slowly all throughout the day for the best effects. When you drink a lot of water like that, all it's going to do is send you back and forth to the bathroom, and that's not a pleasant experience anybody want to have to deal with, especially when you're at work and then you're having to go and take breaks so many times, and that's just not good. Hydration works best in small sips, and it's best to be consistent throughout the day. Like I said before, think of your body as a sponge. It can only absorb so much water at a time, so it's best to give your body a break in between drinking. Here's a tip: if you need to set a reminder for yourself to take a sip while you're at work or throughout the day while you're busy at home, then do that. Keep a nice refillable size water bottle with you throughout the day and sip on that. I personally like to have a nice size jug bottle of water with me. If I don't use this, then I like to just have several bottles of water with me on hand. And I sip that throughout the day, and I'm pretty much fine. Because I'm one of those people, if I sit there and drink a lot of tons and tons of water, and I'm not going to be able to function throughout the day because I'm going to be back and forth to the restroom. Here's another thing that people don't realize. You don't have to sit there and drink all that water. You can eat your water. What I mean by eat your water, incorporating foods in your diet that have high water content like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, zucchini, spinach. All those things are great sources to help hydrate your body and to keep your body functioning at optimum energy levels throughout the day. Any of the water-rich fruits or vegetables, they are going to be packed with so many minerals and so many electrolytes that it's going to do nothing but love on your body so much. When you get hydration from your source of food, it's going to be better absorbed by the body as well, because it's combined with fiber and electrolytes. So do yourself a favor and your body a favor and load up on all those lovely hydrating foods. Here are some tips to look out for so that you can avoid things that will dehydrate you. There are certain habits that you need to be aware of and limit in moderation to help cut down on draining your body of hydration. Those include coffee and alcohol. We know that those things need to be in moderation, of course. Eating salty or processed foods, and also stress. Yes, stress helps to increase stress hormone cortisol, and cortisol actually leads to an increase in water loss, believe it or not. And also try to stay away from diuretics, things that are high in caffeine like alcohol or coffee. I know people like to have their coffee, but moderation is key, and that's something to remember. The thing about diuretics is that they pull a lot of water out of our system, and that can lead to dehydration. Here's something to remember: for every glass of wine or coffee that you have, add a full glass of water with that and a pinch of minerals or salt, sea salt, and that should help balance that out. The next tip is hydrating with magnesium and glutamine. Now you can find these as supplements over the counter, and they are great to use to help your body to absorb more water as well. This is what we're talking about when you want to go to the next level in helping your body to hydrate the maximum most it can, because magnesium helps to balance out the electrolytes in the body, and that also helps to improve cellular hydration as well. Now when it comes to L-glutamine, that helps to support the gut lining, and it also helps the body to absorb the nutrients that you are giving it, and that includes water. I like to take a magnesium glycinate or a magnesium citrate to help maximize my electrolytes and my hydration in my body. Sometimes I take a L-glutamine supplement as well, but not all the time. Glutamine can also be mixed in with your drinks as well. You can put them in drinks, smoothies, juices, whatever you prefer, to help maximize the hydration in your body. And also magnesium can also be found from foods like your dark leafy greens and vegetables, and your nuts and your seeds. So that's another thing to consider. You have some options out here with trying to get your body hydrated properly. And once you start practicing these simple tips, you will notice a difference in the way that your body feels, and you will actually naturally feel more energetic throughout the day. At the end of the day, hydration is not about drinking tons and tons and gallons of water. That's not how you do it. It's about being a little bit smarter about hydration and how your body properly absorbs that water. So if you've been feeling tired, been feeling bloated, been feeling like you got dry skin, been feeling brain fog, all of these things will change, and you will notice a difference if you just start to incorporate some of these habits into your routine to help your body to replenish the hydration that it wants so bad. And I promise you, you'll notice a change not even within a few days. Hydration affects a lot of our body functions, like our brain, our digestion, our energy, our skin, our mood, pretty much everything. It's good to learn to take hydration seriously, especially if you're going to be out working in the warmer weather during those times of the year where it's going to be hot outside. Make sure your water is properly hydrated and that you replenish your body with whatever you're taking away from it. And believe me, your body knows what to do when you give it what it needs. With that being said, if you found this information to be helpful, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more natural wellness tips. Drop a comment if you feel inclined to do so, and let me know how you like to stay hydrated. Tell me in the comment section. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.